So guys, once again I welcome you back to the channel. I'm so glad for those of you that are watching. Really, you guys, you've given me a positive response, and for that reason I'm going to continue uploading more videos. I've taken just a few days without uploading. I really wanted to see whether you guys really appreciate what I do, but I've seen some of you take time to comment, some of you seek clarity, and those are the things that I've been talking about. Always seeking clarity if I say anything. And please don't forget this information. Use it on a demo account, not until when you will understand more and modify. I believe the more you understand, the more you will modify these systems, these settings, and they'll work for your best. You get? So I made a video about range break, and I remember I've seen in the comments I didn't show the settings of the Ichimoku. So this is an updated video, and now we've eliminated the Ichimoku for certain reasons, and I've replaced it with a moving average. As you will see, this moving average, from my research, you will see that it makes the same movements, but I found out that the Ichimoku was adjusting itself somehow in ways I never liked. So for today I'm going to quickly just explain something little, then I'll show you the settings. So for the settings this time around, don't worry. So before, we said that like the stochastic is unchanged depending on the previous video, on that video about range break. So you can also watch it, but now we've made changes here, but we are going to add one more moving average. Let me even quickly add it before I forget. I can add period 60, then I'm going to make, I think, which color can I make? Should I make it let me leave it red, so everything is intact, and then we press OK. So maybe we can add also that moving average, because in that indicator setup for it was there, but I've added another moving average. So this is an updated video, and I really appreciate you guys who really asked for the clarity. So shortly, I think, let me start on the main chart here. On the main chart here, there's this blue, it's in indigo but it looks like blue, this moving average. For it, when you look at it, this one I'm talking about, this one, when you look at it, it makes some kind of early signal, and then it has some kind of consistency. It has a consistency with this moving average down, you get? So with the moving average down, but now its main use is going to be, let's say for instance, when let me first minimize here. When prices here or down here, because this one is going to be moving like this, up and down like this, oscillating like that. So now, and remember, I said that whenever this moving average of the stochastic, whenever it crosses it from down, it means we are buying. You get? We are buying until when this red moving average will come and reach up to between these levels, between these lines here, where we shall expect it to be crossed by this stochastic line or moving average. I don't know how it's called, but yeah, whatever. So it will be crossing it from up, like there. We expect that prices shall be falling, so something like that. So now that is the first thing. Then you realize that this moving average, remember, for it in the previous settings it was there, but this one wasn't there. So we found out that this one was giving the most concrete signals, you get? So in case it crosses here and then they cross here, it is a more concrete signal that now we are going up. Remember, we are on M15. By these settings, they are going to work for you based on M15, you get? So we are on M15 right now. So when it goes upwards of this moving average, this one, the red one that we've just put, this is the most concrete, you get? The most concrete. But now here you can see that when it crosses here, you can get an early entry. Also when actually now when this stochastic line, when it crosses from down, now you wait for prices to just get above this moving average, because they are moving in the same manner, you get? When they're down, for the reaction is so similar. The reaction is so similar. You can see when it was here, you can look at the blue one, it's down also, you get? When it's up, there is a way they correlate, you get? So once it crosses like this, you just know that we are going. Now when it crosses here, you just know that we are going down. But now for refined signals, we wait for it to go below the red one, you get, below the red one. So don't get confused about that. I know I'm just picking things randomly. So for the main chart, I think I've explained, you get. So mainly this blue one that we've added. So when it crosses here, you just know, even in the when it price crosses it like this, you just know even here on indicator window, indicator window 1, the stochastic has crossed, you get. So now that's it. Then down here on indicator window 1, let me try to zoom in and we see whether it will be possible. So when we zoom in here on indicator window 1, you're going to realize something. As I said, this red one, it's going to be moving in this kind of manner like this. So whenever it comes, it's going down, we are in a downward trend, you get. So it's some kind of support and resistance. So it will help us that this level, like here, we know that this is our support, you get. And now when it goes up, it's still going up. We can get to know that this level where it crossed here, we can say this is our resistance, you get. Then our signals, you can either take on the blue one here, or you can take the signals of the red when they're down, you get, or when it gets up like here, you get. But now overall, you can see that here they try to trick, but here you would have been already in profit, you get. So they may try to push down, but still remember, we were from down here, we were from down where we expect prices, we had reached our support, and we expected to go up to this time here, you get. And then the other thing, please watch my videos where I've been talking about price action. There are those videos that I do that I've uploaded before, so I would request that you watch them. Why? It's because personally, when you know the candle patterns or the move, like price movement, the way candles are aligned, trust me, these indicators are going to be so nice for you, get. Because personally, when I see regions like these ones here, they show me something, you get. This kind of pattern. So here I can get to know that now I'm really going down, you get. So please watch those videos, and I'm going to make more. So you guys, the main purpose for this was to show you the settings, and then the other thing, it was to make an update. So we eliminated the Ichimoku. Most of you asked for the Ichimoku, but trust me, the Ichimoku moves in the same manner. It's only that I don't want to make a longer video, but I think I'll also make another one side by side, show you that this moving average, it is going to make the same pattern as the Ichimoku line. It was also red, but I never gave the settings. But I found out that when you're backtesting this moving average, the way it was moving, it was more consistent than the Ichimoku. So that's the purpose. So quickly, let me show you starting from the main chart. Maybe I can zoom out a little bit. This is how it's going to look. So but zoom in levels do not matter. Zoom in levels do not matter. If even if I try to zoom in a little bit, still you can see that prices were here, and yeah, it doesn't matter. And then even on the mobile phone, I believe you guys have watched how you can combine indicators on the mobile phone. So please, you can maybe comment down below, and I make a video setting it up on the mobile phone. But definitely in the future, I'll be showing you. So the red one, let me quickly show you the settings. But so the red moving average, I'm talking about this one. It is period 60, shift 0, method linear weighted, applied to weighted close, HLCC/4. You get. The color is red. You can choose a color of your choice. Yeah. So the red one, we are done on the main chart. Then we go to this one here that I've been showing you. It is period 20, method linear weighted, shift is 0, apply to weighted close, HLCC/4. You get. The color is medium blue. That's what I've chosen, and you can choose the color of your choice. Then we go to indicator window 1. Please watch out my video where I showed you how to combine more indicators. Actually, I'm going to upload another one, an updated video on how you combine indicators, more than one indicator on PC, you get. So but for the Ichimoku, the stochastic is the one that you put first. Stochastic, these are the settings, you get. The percent K period 50, percent D period, it is 40, slowing is 2, price field low/high, you get. Method simple, this one, the main, we only want the color of the main. So the color of the main is indigo. I've chosen indigo. You can choose the color of your choice, you get. So the signal, the part for signal, you get, you make it the background of your screen. So my background is white. If you have a black background, we make this one black for signal. We don't want to see it, we only want for main, you get. So that's it for the stochastic. Then let me show you for the moving average that replace the Ichimoku. These are the settings, you get. Period 20, shift 0, method linear weighted, apply to weighted cross, HLCC/4. Then the color is red, you get. And then one more thing to note out is I'm using it on 15 minutes. And now when you get a signal on 15 minutes, by the trust me, when you get a signal on at least a higher time frame, trust me, it's going to be more beneficial than getting it on a smaller time frame. So now when I see a signal like this and maybe I'm late, even when you go on smaller time frames, it's going to be much easier for you, you get. So personally, I use it on 15 minutes where I prefer it, and I have a personal love for 15 minutes time frame, you get. So it depends on what you want, on what you prefer. So you guys shall be trying it out. Please backtest it even on 1 hour on H4, H1, you get. You keep back testing it, but this is the one for range break. So we are on range break 100 index. You can do it on range break 200, all of them, you get. So you keep understanding it. Trust me, the market is there. Don't rush, keep learning, you get. That's why I advise you to please subscribe to my channel if you really love what I do. And yeah, some of you have really showed me love, you sharing the content. I appreciate that. And then the other thing, one more thing, someone commented that they need to get in touch with me. I'm still thinking about that. But first make money. You first make money. Don't send me money to trade for you. If we are to get in touch, trust me, I will not trade for anyone. So never be fooled that I'm trading for anyone. I don't do account management, trust me. So maybe I'll say that the rest of the information in other videos. So let's make a family, let's create a family. Maybe I'll create a platform for us to interact, but possibly probably it will be a paid platform. You guys may be required to pay because but you make money, because if at all I share something and maybe it helps you to make money, it will be nothing for you to pay, you get. But now for trading for anyone, I don't do that, you get. I only share my information. And yeah, you keep commenting and asking for what you want, you get. So that's it. I'll make maybe an update on the same, and then we see. I still have a lot to talk about, but just know. Let me see. So